Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa. I am a makeup artist. Today I'm gonna show you this very glamorous makeup look to use at night. I really love this kind of glittery makeup look and with a lot of contrast in this eye. So I'm gonna start off using a eyeshadow base. Today I'm using Painterly by MAC. Next, in the brow bone to highlight a little bit, I'm gonna use this creamy beige matte eyeshadow. This is by Decay Scarlet. I love this brand. The pigmentation of all the eyeshadows and products are amazing. The colors are so beautiful. This is the magnetic palette and I just choose the colors. Now from the Dream palette, I'm gonna apply this light brown eyeshadow in the other corner of my eyes, and also I'm gonna work this color into my crease using circular motions. To apply this eyeshadow, I'm using a smaller blending brush. This is the new launch by Sigma Beauty, and all the brushes that I'm using here in this tutorial are from Sigma Beauty, so you can use my code MelissaSB for 10% off in sigmabeauty.com in case you're interested. Next, I'm gonna apply the highlighter from the palette in my eyelid because I think the color is so beautiful, and this brush that I'm applying is also in my brush favorite set, which is Melissa Samways favorites. I'm gonna link down below for you guys. Now from the magnetic palette, I'm gonna apply this highlighting shade in the inner corner of my eyes. And to apply, I'm gonna use a small pencil brush. And now I'm gonna create the dramatic effect in this makeup look, and for it I'm gonna use a gel liner, and this is a brown shade by Sigma Beauty. This is the shade Stunningly Ladylike. Using a eyeliner brush, I'm gonna create a cat eye effect in my eyes today, but I don't have to be worried because I'm gonna blend it all. I'm gonna add gel liner in the lower lash line as well. And now, using this very dark brown eyeshadow from the magnetic palette, I'm gonna apply in my outer corner and also in the lower lash line using a firm short shader brush. I'm gonna use this dark brown eyeshadow to create the smoke effect in the lower lash line and also in the outer corner of my eyes. And here we are done, but in case you want this makeup look even more glamorous and shimmery and glittery and everything at the same time, so you can add a little bit of glitter like I'm doing here. So before I apply the fake lashes, I'm gonna mix these two glitters together. I'm using Midnight Cowboy by Decay and also Reflects Gold by MAC. I love to mix these two glitters together to get the perfect champagne combination for my makeup look, and on top of the eyeshadow that I used before, it looks stunning. So I just add fake lashes and I'm done with the eyes. So now moving on to my face. To finish off this makeup look, I'm gonna use the same palette as before, and I'm gonna apply this beautiful blush. I'm gonna just touch up because I already have it in my skin as I started this video with my skin done already. So I'm gonna apply this blush using the Spotlight Duster brush by Sigma. Is my favorite powder brush. And also in the highest points of my face, I'm gonna apply the same highlighter that I used in my eyes. And now for my lips, I'm gonna mix these two colors together from the palette. I love this combination so much. First, I'm gonna apply the lightest shade all over the lips because I really love this color. And the darkest shade, I'm gonna apply just in the middle to create this gradient effect. In this makeup look, as everything here is neutral, you can use a red, brown, or even dark plum lipstick. You can use anything you want. If you like more dramatic looks or just a lip gloss or nude lipstick, maybe rosy. This is a very wearable glam look, so the lipstick is up to you. This is how I finished this makeup look, but today I'm gonna show you a little trick in case you're going out with your friends or if you want to be even more glamorous in your dress. All you need is a little bit of moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that you want. As you can see here, I'm using Nivea, and this is very affordable and so good. And also a fine glitter as reflects by MAC, or even you can just use a little bit of highlighter or a little bit of pigment. Even a bronzer looks good. Even you can add glitter and pigment, everything you want. I'm just mixing with the cream and I'm gonna apply in my body. It's so easy and powerful, and the best part is that you can add much glitter or highlighter as you want. So if you want just a little bit, it's okay, but if you want a lot, also you can make it. And this is how I finished this makeup look. I really love how this look turned out. It's very dramatic for me, but so beautiful at the same time and glamorous. I don't like to use a lot of makeup, but sometimes we need it. Depending the occasion, we must have more glitter or more glam in the makeup looks. And that's it, my babies. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what you think about this makeup look and also what you want to see next here in my channel. I will be so happy to know and to make it for you. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye!